Oh, shoot. Man. Well, there's my video for tomorrow. That's a lot of damage. Looks like they might be slowing it down. I don't know. They try to keep going. I thought we'd have to evacuate the building. My gosh. Day in the life, huh? So over, that's where the problem is pouring down in there. That's the fire panel right there. It's ridiculous. It's been quite a while since I've done anything with the system. I got to see a system there. Negative a million outside right now. It hasn't slowed down one bit. All right, so we've got some footage of the aftermath here. It was just a big cleanup, big mess. The entire thing is closed off now. Now you'll notice in this next shot here, when we take a look at the panel, you can see water, of course, all over the place. But what you actually see underneath the panel there is ice. That is frozen because it is negative like 20 out at the time this happened. And over there to the left of the panel is the call box that would have to be manually hit in order to dispatch the fire department, which is why they never responded.